Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color a pastry. First, let's draw the shape of our pastry. Very good. Make sure it is nice and big, like this. Very good. Let's add a delicious frosting to our pastry. Let's add some layers to our pastry, like this. Very good. Now let's add some juicy cherries to our pastry, like this. Very good. Time to add some color. First we use red color for this part. Try to stay inside the lines. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Good job. Then we use yellow color for the frosting. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Very good. Good job. Use same color for the upper part, like this. Color in one direction to make it neat, like this. Very good. Very good. In the last we use red color for these juicy cherries. Very good. Then we use brown color and green color for the leaves. Very good. And there you have it. Your pastry is ready. Allah Hafiz.